Hello viewers, a very good afternoon. Maswera say, welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network. And this afternoon we need to talk about important matters. There is a prophecy which is right here with me, which is suggesting that the President Nelson Chamisa must be very, very, very careful when he goes out. He must make sure that he mind what he has to say, number one. Number two, he must be very, very careful with his surroundings because there are plots to eliminate him. So at this moment in time, I do not want to preempt what this man of God had to say. Let us hear what this man of God had to say before we give a full comment.
Hello there. I believe you are blessed wherever you are all over the world, regardless of the color of the skin, tribe, or nation. Right. I would love to say to the Christianity world here one day, Jesus is the answer. Right. I would love to go straight to the point. I want to say this to the what God told me about the opposition. It is a word of advice. God say I must tell him this year he must make sure that he doesn't. He must shorten his public appearance, especially where there are a lot of gathering of people. He must make sure that he tries to look and check his surroundings very well before he goes outside. I didn't say he mustn't go outside. I say where there are gathering of people, he must be aware that he mind his ways. One, if he doesn't do that, there are two cards that will be played: the card of trying to talk to him and the card of eliminating him. So those are the cards that are in play now. God say I must tell him that he just mind his step this year. He just shorten to be in public too much. If you do that, then all shall be well. I'm saying to you, if you hear the sound of my voice, remember Jesus loves you. Don't forget to like and share. So do us.
So this prophet is saying that President Nelson Chamisa faces two things. Number one, ZANU-PF will try to talk to him. Isn't that obvious? That is obvious because of the current turmoil in the nation of Zimbabwe. It's obvious that the government of Zimbabwe will need to talk to President Nelson Chamisa so that they solve the economic problems which are there. Without Nelson Chamisa, there won't be progress in the nation of Zimbabwe. Things will not change. That is point number one. Point number two, it is common cause that President Nelson Chamisa faces elimination because they feel that if he is still there and he is still alive, then there is no way that he will be able to sustain the presidency. So those are very important issues, and I do not know what you think about this prophecy. President Nelson Chamisa announced that at any point in time they will be doing national consultations with the people of Zimbabwe regarding the way forward, because there are a lot of issues, there are a lot of things to be resolved in the nation of Zimbabwe, and President Nelson Chamisa believes in actually talking to the supporters first before he makes any move. And the major question is, should he not do those consultations? So the man of God says he must not limit his movements altogether, but he must not stop moving, but he must limit his movements. The major question is, how can he limit his movements when the people of Zimbabwe really need him and really need answers? So I do not know, guys, what you really think, but we are having so many prophecies, different prophecies in the comment section. Please, I want to leave everything to you to comment. What do you think President Nelson Chamisa should do? So it is what it is, Team Zimbabwe. Let us continue to watch and pray and see how God is going to rescue us as a nation.